Hey guys, it's Katie with S&B, and today we're going to be installing part number 75-5124 on the 2019 Ram 5.7 liter. Keep in mind this is only going to fit the new body style, so if you have the classic, this one's not going to work. So let's get started. With the ignition turned off and the parking brake engaged, disconnect the negative terminal on the battery. Push down on the clip and remove the CCV hose. Next, remove the electrical harness from the IET sensor. Once those are removed, you can loosen the clamp securing the intake tube to the throttle body and pull it up. Loosen the clamp securing the stock intake tube to the stock airbox, and then remove it from the vehicle. Next, we're going to remove these two screws that are securing the airbox to the wheel liner. Now we can remove the stock airbox from the vehicle. Now we're going to remove the 5 wire harness clips. You're going to find 4 of them onto the stock airbox, 2 in the back, 2 in the front, and then 1 on the AC line. Remove the 4 bolts securing the airbox tray to the vehicle, but set to the side because you are going to use them later. Some models have an additional harness clip attached to the airbox tray, so if you do, you can go ahead and remove that, and then remove it from the vehicle. It's finally time to start prepping your S&B airbox, and we're going to start by installing the tube seal. Install the 2 grommets onto the airbox. So now it's time to decide whether or not you want to install your optional silicone box plug. If you live in warmer temperatures or extremely dusty environments, you might want to leave it installed. Other than that, you can leave it off. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to leave it off. Install the quick connect fitting onto the new intake tube by hand, and then tighten it down with a wrench. Install the IET sensor grommet into the new intake tube. So you're going to need the IET sensor from your stock intake tube to put onto your new tube. So go ahead and take it, turn it counterclockwise, and pull up. Install it onto your new intake tube, and make sure that you push it all the way down and it locks on this tab. Secure the snorkel seal onto the snorkel tube using the plastic rivets. Install the coupler onto the throttle body and then tighten down just the bottom hose clamp. Install the snorkel seal and snorkel tube onto the stock air inlet. Install the S&B airbox into the vehicle and make sure you align the snorkel tube with the box. It was a little hard to see, but using the provided hardware, we secured the airbox to the snorkel. Now you're going to reinstall the bolts that you took out earlier, but you're just going to hand tighten them for now. Using the provided hardware, you're then going to secure the airbox to the wheel liner. Once those are fully secured, you're going to want to go back to the top ones and make sure that they're completely tightened down. Install the intake tube into the airbox and into the coupler, and then tighten down the clamp. Install your filter into the airbox and onto the intake tube, and tighten down the hose clamp. Install the lead seal into the grooves. Remove the protective layer from both sides of the large clear lid. Using the provided hardware, secure the signature large clear lid onto your airbox. Reconnect the CCV hose onto the quick connect adapter, as well as the electrical harness onto the IET sensor. Don't forget to reconnect the negative terminal on the battery. All right guys, now that the intake's installed, you're gonna see an increase in airflow of 50.64%, while still maintaining an efficiency rating of 99.17. So if you have any other questions or you just wanna know more, you can give us a call or you can hit us up on our website, and I'll see you next time.